Hello everyone and welcome back to another installment from our webinar series Straight from the Horse's Mouth. A life cycle assessment can assess the environmental impacts of your product, service or whole industry. But how does it provide value to your business? This webinar explains why New Zealand Avocado commissioned an LCA study and how they plan to use the data to continue building their environmental credentials. Here's a sneak preview.
An LCA basically tells your story when the study and findings are communicated internally or externally. And having an LCA study reviewed basically validates the study and conclusions. It increases trust in its results. So you can go on to tell your story, by producing nutshell studies, sharing the LCA report with interested parties, if that is the goal of the study, and also by progress to creating things like environmental product declarations, or EPDs.
Consultation with our growers and industry stakeholders revealed that economic resilience, worker safety and well-being, and environmental stewardship were key challenges as well as opportunities as a sector. We recognise that keeping businesses profitable is key to enabling the activities that support better environmental outcomes, and as a primary sector, we strive to reach that balance between food supply, profitability, social well-being, and improving environmental standards. All right, some key learnings. This new understanding of what inputs and activities are actually contributing to our environmental footprint is now allowing us to focus on specific areas as we prepare for the future. An example is the inevitable adaptation as an industry we will have to make to changing climates, which for horticulture presents this, what I call a vicious cycle, where climate change is predicted to make pest pressures worse, ultimately increasing pesticide use, which can then further contribute to the release of greenhouse gas emissions. So what can we do as an industry to look towards more cultural methods of pest control, as an example?
Brad Siebert is the Deputy of New Zealand Avocado. He will explain what the study found and how they're communicating this to customers, including wholesale customers, growers, local councils, government and local communities. He'll join Gaya Gamage, our Head of Quality Assurance, to discuss how a verified LCA study can help you tell your story. If you're interested in watching the full webinar, you can find it on the thinkstep-anz website.